Josephine,
Hence,
I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Please, let's hang around.
Hence, have you forgotten today is Monday?
Yeah, you go to school.
Yeah.
Alright. Josephine. I don't want you to go.
Why are you saying this? Do you want my mom to kill me, huh? I have to go.
Then I can see you don't love me.
Oh, Hence. My dear, how are you doing?
Please, I'm good.
Josephine! Josephine!
You have a beautiful baby.
Thank you.
My dear Hens, when are we going to have our own?
Really? You soon get our own, okay?
Don't trust any guy.
Like how? Hens loves me so much.
Josephine, what do you think you are doing? Don't you know you are deceiving yourself? I've searched everywhere, looking for you. By the way, why didn't you go to school?
I don't want to hear anywhere that sounds like school.
Josephine, what are you trying to say?
Mom, I will not go to school again.
Josephine! Josephine!
Josephine, you are the most beautiful woman in this world.
You are the most handsome man in this world.
Josephine, you know you are my only daughter, and I want the best for you. Today is Monday. Your colleagues are writing exams. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, go to school. You are my only daughter, and you know I want the best for you. Please.
Is this the reason why you call me? I've already told you, and I mean it. I'll not go to school again. Why are you still here? Won't you go home?
Hey! I can see you want me to do it by force, right? If you do not remove your belongings from my room, I will rather do it by myself. Useless girl.
Fred, the daughter has not eaten.
Damn you! Who is my daughter? I don't want to hear that word again because I don't have any child. Nonsense.
So sorry, dear. But who is he?
He's the father of my baby.
Like, seriously? But I think he said you did not have a child.
Yeah, that reminds you about what I told you the last time. Don't trust any guy. Don't trust any guy.
Yes, but hence laughing. And he will never reject me like this.
Okay, well, I understand all men are not the same.
What are you trying to say? Polluting her mind, I'm not a good guy. Look at you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Instead of you to find a possible way to feed your baby, you are rather here gossiping about people's relationships.
Please, I'm sorry.
Baby, don't listen to her. Remember, you are the most beautiful woman in this world.
Yes, you are the most handsome man in the world. Some men are too wicked. How can you let someone suffer like this? I think this is a warning to me.
Trust any guy. Don't trust any guy. The daughter has not eaten.
Damn you! Who is my daughter? I don't have any child. Nonsense.
Mom, I'm going to school.
Are you you serious?
Yes.
When you go to school, learn from me, okay?
Young man, so after all the advice I gave you, you've never changed, right? I decided to be calm with you initially as a man. I can see you're a very stubborn guy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, what is going on here?
You know him.
Yes.
Do you know he has impregnated my daughter for the past 6 months now? And he has decided not even to come home to see the parents. If persuasion fails, force must be applied. At this point, I have no option than to take you to your parents. I have to report you. Come on, let's go.
It's true you shouldn't trust any man in this world. He cheated on me. I mean my guy.
What are you trying to say? He cheated on you?
Yes.
I told you shouldn't trust any man in this world.
I'm sorry, baby.
Sorry.
I did not be. I wouldn't have gone back to school. Thank you very much. Please take this.
Thank you.